Mr. David Davis.
Thank you, Speaker. I hear what my honourable friend says about the obedience to international law, but it's clear from the Prime Minister's apology to the Libyan victims alone that the British government, at very best, came perilously close to breach of Article 3 of the European Convention on Human Rights, which forbids torture, but also its facilitation or complicity in it. Secondly, without an independent judge-led inquiry, the government may now be in breach of another article, Article 13, which, as well as centuries of established common law, provide for a right to an effective remedy. Now, I don't know what it is that's making the government take so long to decide on pursuing a judge-led inquiry. It may be back pressure from the agencies. I doubt that now. It may be back pressure from other allies who are complicit in this or involved in this. Whatever it is, I hope what I say next will help him in his arguments with them, and that is this. If we do not get an independent judge-led inquiry in his statement, which comes later this week or next week, then I will certainly seek advice on whether we've broken any of those articles, and if need be, take the proper judicial mechanisms to make sure the government is put back within the bounds of the law.
Right. Well, as I said earlier, Mr. Speaker, it is the obligation of every minister, in line with the ministerial code, to comply with our international as well as our domestic legal obligations. And, of course, in the case of officials, those obligations are statutory because the Civil Service Code is itself incorporated into statute. I hope that when my right honourable friend sees the detail of what will be announced later this week, that he will be able to feel reassured by those statements.